Hello guys, welcome to Frankfurt, welcome to Formnext 2022 edition. I'm Giuseppe Piscioneri, and after 2 days of trade show, it's time to welcome you to our booth.
We are here at Formnext to show our full range of services. We do a lot of stuff. Actually, you can see here a good example. We do prototypes and small production, both in additive technologies and also traditional technologies like CNC milling, vacuum casting, injection molding. So we really would like to follow the customer in the full development cycle of his new product. So from the very first prototype up to the production. This whole central dashboard has been made by 3D printing. We took care of the production of the part and the whole finishing of the part, so it's all 3D printed.
I'm Ziad Abu. I'm the CEO of Quickparts. We are 380 people today in 7 different facilities, 4 in the US, 3 in Europe, and offering a wide range of capabilities to our customers. Formnext is where things happen. Formnext is one of the biggest exhibitions. So Quickparts, as one of the leaders in this field, we need to be here to meet our customers.
I'm very excited to be here at Formnext 2022 to speak about Quickparts Express. We're announcing this service. It actually goes live today in the US, and it will go live in Europe in early 2023. And it's basically a monumental leap in speed. What we're doing is bringing parts to our customers faster than ever before. You can get 3D printed parts in as fast as the same day. So it's fantastic. We are very excited about the value that this will create for our customers.